Hi, we at the laundromat, self-service laundromat next to the hotel here. So that's the different kind of prices, different kind of load. 20 baht, 40 baht, 60 baht. So very cheap. There's the soap, laundry, detergent, and then dry 10 baht for every 10 minutes. So very cool. So we just put a load in there, take about 15 minutes, we come back. It's called the next to the Hop Inn Hotel. Hop Inn Hotel, London. Along here is all kind of street food restaurant. And this is Ao Nang Beach Road. Over there is the mosque. They got the night market at night. Pretty cool place. So just walk around, come back in about 50 minutes. There are a lot of tours. Go check out some of the food along here. There's all kind of street food. Makanan Melayu market. So now it's like about 12:30 p.m. So really hot. So people still inside. A lot of people they go to the island hopping right now. So hi, สวัสดีครับ I do my laundry. Come back. By the Krabi Tower bus though. There's all kind of hotel along. A lot of restaurants. So it's Tuesday, it's about 12:30 p.m. So everything starts late here. Daytime, most of the people at the pier go for island hopping on the long tail boats or go to Phi Island like that. All kind of guest houses that way. All kind of hotel, sugar marina. Pyramids. Sorry, street food. Sorry, street food on the tours. Yeah, they have really cheap food here. Good place to retire here. Krabi, Ao Nang Krabi. Cost of living really low. There's the barber shop. Go see. That's all the tour buses. Really nice tour buses. We got some street food right here. We'll try some street food along. Hotels open. Best one, pad thai. Stir fry, basil, and rice. สวัสดีครับ Uh, Howdy cup. All right, let's try the pad thai. Pad thai. Pad thai.
Pad Thai, chicken, shrimp, seafood.
Pad thai seafood. How much?
Seafood.
Seafood 100 baht. Okay, good. I can sit right here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ขอบคุณครับ We're gonna hang around. Very good food here, so and very cheap food here also. This side is all the Jewish sheiks. Over there is all the hotel, the beach over there. This is all the prices right here. 60 baht for the regular one, and then all the special, a little extra. Sorry, Krab, very good food. So we are the Ao Nang Beach food place, the best one. Down there is Ao Nang Beach, and then the hotel and all the shops, everywhere tools. We got a lot of mat over there, so try some other food. Got the pad thai, we try the pad thai. So. Sorry, cup. 640 baht. All right, let's try the 6. Okay, one passion fruit right here. Okay, kapung cup 40 baht. Really good price. A lot of people here. Always busy. Waiting for the food here. Really nice place and a lot of people. Really good food. A lot of tourists and really cheap food. Low cost of living in Krabi, Ao Nang Beach. We're having the passion fruit. Only 40 baht only, 40 baht only, very cheap.